Hi, I'm Boseley from Diamondbrite. I'm here at Morton's to explain a little bit more about the Motorcycle Pro paint protection. So why have your motorcycle protected? Well, Diamondbrite Motorcycle is a fluorocarbon polymer based chemical. Now the product is applied by hand to all exposed surfaces. There's a guarantee on all the surfaces except the bits that get hot, like the exhaust and the engine. Once treated, you get a clear film on the paintwork, which expands and contracts with the paint, is self-healing as they call it, and makes the surface much easier to clean. It's been tested and actually reduces the need for cleaning by 50%. So if you want an easy life and an easy bike to clean, then Diamondbrite Motorcycle Pro is for you. Well, one of the benefits of having your bike treated with Diamondbrite Motorcycle, of course, is that it repels rain and road grime. If you look at the example here, where I put water on this tank, you'll see that the water literally just runs straight off. As part of the Diamondbrite Motorcycle package, you also receive a bag full of aftercare products. These include a bike wash, which is used if the bike is really dirty and mucky. You just spray on and you wash it off. You also get degreaser, removes all that nasty grease from the wheels and the chain. You also receive what we call a Pro Preserve. Now, Pro Preserve is an enhancer to the paint protection. You use this every couple, maybe 2 or 3 months, just to maintain the protection. Important to note with this one, if you don't use it, it doesn't invalidate the 3-year guarantee. So it's purely an enhancer. You also receive a Kit Fresh, which is for your gloves and your helmet to keep them nice and fresh and kill all of those nasty bugs and bacteria. You also get a chrome and metal polish, because the guarantee will cover all surfaces except the surfaces that get really, really hot. And that includes, obviously, the exhaust. So we put in a chrome polish for that particular area of the bike. Finally, you receive Waterless Detailer. Now this product means you can clean the bike without using water. Every so often when the bike returns from a normal kind of run and it's just a bit of dust, a bit of dirt, this is perfect for just giving the bike a quick wipe to keep it clean. It's got a bit of wax in it as well, so it just tops up the paint protection. As to the price, well, the retail price is about £150, including VAT. And if you want your bike treated, all you have to do is ring the Dual Ultra head office in Maidstone, and we can put you on to a local dealer who'd be more than happy to treat your bike for you.